Have you ever thought about where your produce comes from? Most grocery chains receive produce from various local and national farmers. In fact, there are about 3.4 million farmers in the United States today. But of that staggering number, only 45,000 are Black farmers. At the Better Buggy, we are a proud group of Atlanta-based Black-owned farmers, selling produce locally and nationwide. Our easy-to-navigate online platform makes it easy for you to make a one-time purchase or to simplify your life by subscribing to our weekly produce box. Whichever frequency you choose, you can order with confidence, knowing you'll receive 100% organic farm-fresh produce. If you're looking for a thoughtful gift for a loved one that they'd actually find useful, be sure to pop by our online store where you can snag a gift card your recipient can use to order their own produce and t-shirts. Ready to start supporting local Black-owned farms and making healthier food decisions? Visit thebetterbuggy.com now to start shopping.
Ladies and gentlemen, many people are waiting for their missing unemployment tax refund money, which is slowly showing up in people's bank accounts. But of course, like anything, it's just not getting there fast enough. So this is Detroit Free Press, June 4th, 2021. Now might be a good time for some taxpayers who lost work during the pandemic in 2020 to check their bank accounts. The Internal Revenue Service. So they just began issuing the extra tax refund to people that were collecting unemployment. So this is for anybody that became jobless in March of 2020. So if you filed, now they said the law did change on March 11th. So if you filed before the law changed, single individuals were taxed up to $10,200 in jobless benefits that were later, they did exclude it from the taxable income under the new rule. So taxpayers may exclude unemployment compensation up to $20,400 if married, filing jointly when two people lost their jobs. The legislation exclude only some in 2020 unemployment benefits from taxes. It's not a small change. Once that extra income is excluded, many people who owe big money and some are happy to see it now. One Detroit area taxpayer told he spotted the extra $2,251.76 in his bank account on Thursday morning. The single man had collected unemployment compensation last year after the auto factory shut down during the pandemic, but he filed his tax return on March 9th, 2 days before the American Rescue Plan was signed into law. Not everyone who is owed cash is receiving the money. You're not getting cash if you owe the greedy IRS. So if you owe money, you may have potentially got a refund, but if you owe money, the greedy pig IRS is not going to give you your money. These refunds are subject to normal offset rules, such as past due federal tax, state and income tax, state unemployment compensation, debt, child support, spousal support, or certain federal non-tax debt, i.e. student loans, the IRS said. So if you owe and any of those things, then the IRS is keeping your money. Mm-hmm. And I have to ask this again. Why are Black people in this country paying taxes? We shouldn't owe you a damn thing. We built the country. What we owe you? We owe you nothing. And you should get nothing. The IRS will send a separate notice if the taxpayer, of course, if you got unpaid debts, the IRS want to send you a lame ass letter and not your money. Also, it's important to note that many people who are married and have more complex tax returns won't receive the extra refund until later this summer. Isn't it amazing when you owe something, they want it right away, but if they owe you, they make you wait. They make you wait and wait and wait. The IRS has not given any official updates to the process as of Thursday afternoon. But the IRS did post on Twitter on Wednesday, hashtag IRS is now issuing refunds for taxes on 2020 unemployment compensation that were paid before they were excluded from taxable income by recent law changes. Now, ladies and gentlemen, remember, many people didn't even get their tax refunds from last year. They're still waiting and they filed electronically. I know some people here around me and they haven't gotten anything and they filed last year. So that just go to show you how they work. You notice how it's always substandard work, you know, but it's amazing. They want you and me to work twice as hard, but it's okay for them to be substandard in their work. Just amazing. Please leave your comment and subscribe. Don't forget to hit on the notification bell, and I'll see you on the next video. Peace, family.